Hi everyone, my name is Danya Firestone. I'm the drama director here at Abraham Lincoln High School and one of our deans of culture. We just really want to thank the Denver voters for investing in public education. The 2020 bond project gave Lincoln's Auditorium some new life. Lincoln's Auditorium is one of the biggest in DPS, holding nearly 1,400 seats. And with the 2020 bond project, our auditorium's house lights were upgraded. So now we have much brighter lights in here, and we can also dim them if we'd like. And then through another grant, our auditorium also received a new sound system, a light board, and a high definition projector. So these are all super exciting upgrades. Being the drama director, I've seen firsthand how the 2020 bond project has benefited our school. Seeing the confidence in our student performers and presenters who use this auditorium, seeing how excited they are about all of these upgrades. We are lucky to be a part of the 135 buildings that invested in key learning spaces such as classrooms, cafeterias, playgrounds, libraries, gyms, and auditoriums. I really love how much brighter it is in here. Being able to really see and hear our students perform makes a huge difference in their confidence and also in the quality of our shows. We hope you get the chance to see one. Thank you so much to the Denver voters for investing in public education.